Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach class 7 English grammar chapter 7 phrases. Now let us learn what are phrases. A phrase is a small group of words that adds meaning to a sentence. A phrase is a small group of words, a group of words that has a meaning but not a complete sense is called phrase. A phrase is not a sentence or a clause because it is not a complete idea with a subject, verb and a predicate. It is not a sentence or a clause because it does not have complete idea of a subject, verb and a predicate. In common use, a phrase is understood to be an idiom, a euphemism, a saying, a proverb, a fixed expression or a figure of speech. But in grammar, a phrase has a special status and meaning. A phrase has a special status, special position and meaning. A phrase forms an essential part of the syntax or structure of a sentence. Although it does not have any stand-alone value, it helps in expressing a single idea and is used as a unit within a sentence. It does not contain a finite verb. A phrase does not contain a finite verb. You should know phrase is a group of words that has a meaning but not a complete sense. Another thing you should know, it does not contain a finite verb. Suppose, for example, Japan is called the land of rising sun. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Here the land of rising sun and went up the hill are phrases. They mean something but do not make complete sense as they do not contain a finite verb. They are phrases because they have some meaning, they mean something but do not have complete sense and also do not contain a finite verb. There are different types of phrases, of which three broad types are noun, adjective and adverb. However, the 8 common types of phrases are noun, verb, gerund, infinitive, appositive, participle, prepositional and absolute. Now let us learn noun phrase. A noun phrase includes a noun and its modifiers. It is a group of words that does the work of a noun. It answers the question what and who. Noun phrase answers the question what and who. It is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Here you see common noun. The goat ate leaves. The article goat. For example, the goat ate leaves. The article goat common noun, ate verb, leaves common noun. The black goat ate all the tender leaves. Now the black goat is pre-modifier, black is pre-modifier and all the tender is post-modifier. In the above sentences, the addition of modifier transforms the status of nouns in the sentence. The words goat and leaves in the first sentence are common noun which gets changed into black goat and all the tender leaves after the addition of the modifiers. As these are made out of nouns, these terms are called noun phrases. Moreover, in this example, it should also be noted that the adjectives like black and tender, which are placed before the nouns, have the status of just modifiers of the noun, as these adjectives are not having central determinant position in the sentence. The phrase with which it is attached will acquire its names by noun which has a main position. Hence, the phrase will be called a noun phrase. Now, how the phrase will be called a noun phrase? Noun. These terms are called noun phrases because in the example It should also be noted that the adjectives like black or tender, which are placed before the nouns, have the ideas of just modifiers of the noun, as these adjectives are not having central determinant position in the sentence. So, the phrase with which it is attached will acquire its name by noun which has a main position. And that is why the phrase will be called a noun phrase. Noun phrases act as both subject and object of verb. For example, getting wet in the rain is not a good idea. Here subject, I wish to win the trophy. Here object. Noun phrase can be subject or object both. Now let us learn adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective in a sentence. In an adjective phrase, there isn't any noun and therefore the adjective plays the role of the main word. For example, they had a beautiful house, noun phrase. They had a house which was beautiful, adjective phrase. In the first sentence, beautiful is an adjective and the term a beautiful house is a noun phrase and not an adjective phrase. In the second sentence, the adjective group of words which was beautiful without changing the meaning of the sentence, there is no noun used in the term which was beautiful. An adjective beautiful has the main status, thus it is an adjective phrase. Now let us see some more example of adjective phrase. Adjective, a silver dish. Phrase, a dish made of silver. A brown dog, a dog of brown color. A one-eyed monkey, a monkey with one eye. A mountain trail, a trail on the mountain. A blondie-haired girl, a girl with blondie hair. A heavy suitcase, a suitcase with a lot of weight. The Indian Army, the army that belongs to India. These we have learned what are adjectives and what are adjective phrases. Thanks.